தினம்தோறும் விளக்கேற்ற நல்ல எண்ணெய் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெய்.
Today on behalf of ADMK party, I raise certain issues which is happening in Tamil Nadu. The election is going to taking place 2026 April, May. That is our things going on. But at the same time, opposition political parties in Tamil Nadu are not given the opportunity to have rallies and express making the election campaign with the people. But the state government, using their programs, official programs, Chief Minister is taking advantage to have more programs as election campaign indirectly. At the same time, state government is putting so many conditions, opposition parties, how to election campaign is to be done or the parties to conduct rallies. But the road show, they said, must not be there. But the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is in the government function, he is going to show the road show, meeting all the people. But opposition not allowed. For example, today, my political leader is going to address in Gobichittupalayam and other places. But he has not, Tamil Nadu government denied the permission. You know what happened in Karur also. When actor became politician, when he conducted the rally, nearly 41 people are stampeded, died. That CBS is going on. But the same actor tries to get the permission to act, conduct program, the state government is refusing. This is a partial thing. Therefore, it's a democratic thing. The election commission must take serious about this. This has been to be discussed. That I said. Same way, law and order problem, even the state subject. Modernization is the police force is more important. Central government has to give the more money, but the state government not properly utilizing the Tamil Nadu government. The police forces in hiring, the partially they are functioning, not situation very, very bad in Tamil Nadu after the DMK has taken over power. Therefore, even the state subject, this is coming to the law, election is coming, at that time protection we require. And also, regarding the Sri Lanka issue also raised, because many ministers are coming from Sri Lanka and meeting our ministers here. Our people also, our ministers are going to Sri Lanka. But it is not at soil minority of Tamil people, Sri Lankan Tamil issue in Sri Lanka, as well as Tamil Nadu fishermen is still suffering. That has been not said. Other important issue raised. Already Parliament passed Women's Reservation Bill. When they are going to implement it for the election, for the Parliament and the state election. Because already empowering a women is very, very important subject. But we could not see that is when they are going to. Other thing, for example, as a MP-led funds I can give for any programs. But the state government, Tamil Nadu government, which I am allocating, they are not taking that. They are rejecting that. Particularly in Karur, I represented 4 or 5 times Lok Sabha member there. Many people asking the schemes, I nearly allocated 3 crores, all returned. Because the one ex-minister, you know very well, who is root cause for all the things, land and problem in Karur, he is stopping all the programs there. Even I suspect CBS program is going on. 41 people died when actor Vijay visited at the time, that meeting. It may be his conspiracy may be there. I am suspecting that. Therefore, this is the way even I elected many times from that area. I was served as a cabinet minister in Rajab government from Karur constituency area. But money I am giving, that ex-minister is blocking and returning all the things. Therefore, this even state government is go on asking money from the central government. When we are giving money, they are rejecting that. This is what is happening there. These are the issues I raised because the election, Tamil Nadu government election, Tamil Nadu state election is coming now. All political parties, opposition parties were given the protection so that election commission to ensure that fair campaign is to take place. Only the ruling party is taking advantage. That is not a good democracy. In SIR also, they are, even though opposing DMK, they are using the machinery, completely state machinery for their benefit. These are going on.